Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we'll talk to you about how to create the curb for turn profile. So you can finish your model. As you can see right now here, I have the main corridor and then I have the side street corridor. I also making it like just temporary like this. So don't worry about this. The end game here, we need to create a profile that is going to go from here and go perfectly and smoothly transition back to here. So how to do that? On this video we'll show you how. So the first thing we're gonna do is let's go to geometry, and by the way, select whatever feature you like. I mean, if you're like me, you have a lot of construction lines, just try to differentiate them by just coming here. I'm just clicking on red line, and then this will activate it so you can be stuck, so you don't have to change it. So now let's go to horizontal, let's click on line. First thing first is here, is where the tangent is. As you know, we have a tangent and then a curve and then a tangent. So let's draw the first tangent. I mean, it's up to you from whatever you want to start. Here we go. We have one tangent here and then this is a second tangent. So let's put it here. And again, however you want to make it. I mean, how long you want to make it. As you see, I made this 25 and this is 35, but you can make them 10, 10, it's okay. And then let's create an arc between them. Arc between element. Literally gonna click here. Here we go. And then let's go here. And then as you see, I'm going above where the 2D design is, as you see. So I'm just gonna snap it here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the 2D stuff because we don't need it anymore from references, because I just have it just so we can see it. So now this is how I like to do it. Let's get this tangent. Let's put it here. So what we need here, we need whatever profile is here in the side street alignment to go like this in 2%. So how to do that? Let's go to vertical, and then they are here a tool called profile by slope from element. So if we clicked on it, and here's usually it's 0. So I already typed in the slope -2 because I wanted to slope -2. But it's up to you, whatever your situation is. And I leave everything as it is. So now let's select the tangent itself and then reset, and then let's select wherever we wanted it to be. Basically copy this profile and then lower it 2% and just keep clicking, and then oh, here we go. See, it made it, it's here. So now let's go to the other element, which is this one, other tangent, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna fire up the tool and then we click on the tangent and then reset it to complete, and then we want this profile, and also I want this to go 2% as the road is doing, as you know, 2%, and this is where the tangent is, so it's going 2%, everything as it is. Boop. Now let's see what it is. Here we go, and now we have it. Then the next step is I like to complex them. So now, and don't worry, I know when we complex, it's gonna still save the ghost profile that I have in these. As you know, this one, let me open it again. You see, this one have a profile, and this one also have a profile. Call them ghost profiles, because they're not final yet in my eyes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to complex this to become curve of return. Just one situation. Boop. Direct like this, and then ta-da, reset. So now, let's open. Here we go. As you see, now we have it. And you see, it still kept up the ghost ones. When I say ghost, because we see as they are now, it's just not smart lines at all, just ghost lines. But we're gonna use them to make sure the curve of return is smoothly from here to here 2%, and it give us a line, and then from here to here 2%, and give us a line, and smoothly going from here to here. There are a tool here in complex in vertical. It's called profile reverse transition. So this tool is a little bit interesting. Make sure everything is zeroed out, but then when you click on 0 it will check it. So don't check this, just make sure none of these are checked in. It doesn't matter, I'm just OCD, select them 0. It will zero itself later. I leave trim extend on both, and the only thing I select is these. Back vertical offset, I made them 0. Both of them 0, so I don't want to go up or down at all. So let's select the first element, which is this one. And then you see, just click anywhere because I already locked it on 0. It's not going to go any vertical. And then let's select the second element. And you see here right now, we have something. It's like it's showing us something, right? So let's just click on 0. And then let's go to start, which is I want to start from here. And then I want it to end here. And then trim both. And then ta-da! Here we go. Now we have a perfect transition. So now let's complex it. Let's go back again to the complex and say complex profile by element. And let's do this, and then do this, and then do this. And then ta-da, perfectly. Now we have it. So now I'm going to show it to you how it's going to look in the 3D. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate it. So there we go. You guys can see it here. See? It's perfectly following from here, as this is going to percent, till here where the tangent is going to percent. So now I'm going to use this line to tell my model to go shoot at it. Pop, 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 so we can have like a perfect piece. So this video is not for doing that, that's detailed modeling. This video is just to show you how to create curb return profiles. And then also after creating these, you can also create them and make sheets out of them, because it depends on your state that you're working on. Some people, they want to create sheets so it can be delivered, but this is how you make them. We still have to do the other one, the third one, the fourth one, and yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.